tell me what you looking for. Looked you in the eyes and I could tell that you were tired of being hurt. That ain't the type of love you looking for. Don't call me when these other niggas break your heart and it don't work. See, I'm just trying to keep it real. Don't call me when these other niggas break your heart and it don't work. See, I'm just trying to keep it real. I give you good loving, I give you good fucking. I'll be your nigga, baby. You give me good.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Andrew from Notes and Electrons, and in this video I wanted to teach you guys how to slow down a beat using flex time, as well as add some spacey reverb to kind of create a cool sound. So without further ado, let's hop into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is duplicate the track that you want to slow down and add reverb to. So go ahead and do that. Then after this, you want to enable flex time by clicking this, and then actually go to speed FX. Once you're here, you'll see that you can actually drag the beat to the right, and by doing so, this slows down the beat. So the more you drag it to the right, the more it will slow down. So if we single it out here.
I'll be your nigga, baby. You give me good sucking. I hear this shit your friends say. And you so fine, yeah. Gotta make you mine, yeah. We got time, If I can't pull up in the Porsche, then I can pull up with my heart. And you so fine, yeah. Gotta make you mine, yeah.
So you kind of want to just play around and see where it sounds the best. There's no right way to do it, and it's kind of fun to just tweak around to see what sounds can come out. So after that, you're going to want to add a reverb. I like Space Designer the best, and you're going to want to just tweak around the dry and wet settings to your liking, as well as perhaps the size and length. I didn't really tweak around here at all. I also put a filter to take out some of the low ends. You don't have to do this, you can just listen and see how it sounds. Again, there's no right way how to do things. It all comes down to what you think and what your ears are telling you. So don't take this tutorial as verbatim. Try things out and see how it sounds, and trust your instinct. I hope this was helpful. If it was, leave a comment and subscribe. I'm really trying to connect with you guys to provide value and help you in your journey of music making. So tag along, and we'll be talking to you later.